Hey everybody, welcome back. What do we got? Stumper 1. My matrix, my starter died. I'm going to show you real quickly how to do this. This is easy. There's the new one. There's your upper stud. That's where your main lead is going to go to. You're going to have another wire clip that goes into here. And what Toyota done amazingly is this bolt is your lower bolt. I'll show you on the car over there. And there's no threads in this. Okay, that's fine. That's normal. Bolt goes through into your transmission case, which is over here. This is a carpet, not transmission case. Your other bolt hole, it's got threads in it because it's threaded in this way, again, on top of your transmission, your bell housing. I'm going to show you this real quickly. So remember that. Upper bolt, lower bolt. Let's go. Okay, a couple easy things. Negative off. Okay, 12 millimeter nut. Okay, that's where your starter stud is, right there. Okay, but first of all, you got to take this out of the way. This is super simple. Two 10 millimeter bolts. One goes right there. Take that one out. One goes, whoops, just behind here, just behind there. Oh, I'm leaning it up against my, ugh, don't do that. I better move that. Let's just grab that and move it. There we go. Don't do what I did. There you go. Second bolt goes right there. And then there's two clips. No, it just slides in. One there. One right there. There's your starter. Your lower bolt, which is a 14 millimeter, is right there. So you want to undo this one first, get this one off, and then you want to unplug this wire. There's a little clip right there, and you got to squeeze it together and pull it off. And it goes in right there. Let's get right back to this. I'm going to put the camera like right inside here. There we go. There's your stud, and there is where your other wire connector goes into, right there. Okay? Your lower bolt is right there, 14 millimeter, threads into your transmission case on this side, your transmission bell housing, and your upper bolt is just right there, 14 millimeter. The upper one threads in that way, your lower one threads in opposite, threads in that way. Get those two out. Your starter pops out. You put your new one in, put your two bolts in, put your rad fan shroud back in, put your two 12 millimeter bolts in, clean up your connections here. Your negative, always negative off first, negative off, positive on, negative off, positive on. Got to remember that. Clean that up. Start your vehicle. What happened with this one? Literally, I stopped the vehicle, went in, grabbed some stuff from a parts store, came out, my car wouldn't start. Gave the hammer, I had a wrench, took a wrench, hit the starter a few times on the solenoid, went, started, grinded, didn't sound good. The teeth didn't grind, but inside that starter solenoid, man, did it make an awful noise. I knew what was going on. Picked up a reman starter. It is a Toyota built starter that was remanufactured. It was $90 cheaper than a Chinese built starter, and they both come with 1 year warranties. I went with the Toyota one. If you have any questions or comments on this, Toyota one. This is, oh wait, where's my thing? It's a 1ZZFE engine. Right there, that's your engine code. Check that first when you go pick up a starter. 2002, oh no, wait a second, wow. 2002 to 2006, this is in my 06. If you have any questions, comments, leave them. There we go. Car's been great, 235,000 kilometers, 100%. Just put new tires on it. Engine's gonna get shampooed. We've had a lot of rain lately. So questions, comments, leave them. Thank you.